lift it up again with Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. We're going international. January 30, 7 to 9 a.m. On air and streaming on cool97fm.com. Join us for live performances and interviews with the iconic Pinchers. Then it's Eddie Hughes of the legendary Fantastic Four Band with chart-topping favorites. And introducing Dianne Beezy Coleman with a brand new EP.
Who's gonna tell you when?
That's Live Tuesday, January 30, 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM. It's hosted by Dianne Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, FX Trader, Keymix Audio, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
put together whatever is necessary to make it happen for you. It's difficult because you have to know people to get into the right places. And, you know, Abijah has been in the business for quite some time, so he's been helping me along the way. So that's my mentor who's helping me holding it down right now.
What else can we look out for from you in 2024?
I am going to keep on putting out more and more music. Try to, you know, to me, it's like our Jamaican music, the younger generation. You know, I don't know how that music is going to last, how long it's going to last. So I'm here to make my contribution to it. So I'm going to be putting out as much music as I possibly can to keep the reggae vibe going.
Final question. How long are you going to be in Jamaica working with local artists?
I'll be in Jamaica until the 9th.
Yeah.
Then I'm back to the States and back to, you know, the daily grind.
Okay. So there we go. King Lock, our first guest this morning on Cool 97 FM's Live Tuesday. And
Who's going to have a snippet of the song right here?
Mikey, microphone.
Because of our time, we're going to have him do a snippet of the song right here.
Oh.
Plant the seed. All right?
Yeah.
So you have your headphone on?
Yes, sir.
You can hear? All right.
Okay.
Let us see now how this works.
So let it grow, plant that seed and let it grow. If there's some things you wanna do, don't let it die inside of you. Get your plan and make a start. And I know Jah will guide your path. So just listen what I'm saying now. Plant a seed and let it grow. 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 So listen to me now. If there's a child you wanna teach, go ahead and teach them. If there's a song you wanna sing, go ahead and sing it. If there's some things you wanna change, go ahead and change hey, don't be afraid you may not fail. So what I'm saying, yeah, plant a seed and let it grow. 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 So yeah, me now say, if there's some things you wanna do, go ahead and do it. Don't let it die inside of you. Yeah. Get your plan and make a start. Hey, yeah. And I know Jah will guide your path. So just listen what I'm saying now. Plant a seed and let it grow. Hey, plant a seed and let it grow. Oh, yeah.
The nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM, reminding you you're inside of a segment of Live Tuesday brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Outfit your wardrobe, stock your boutique with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Our guest this morning, King Lock on Cool 97 FM, the first of 4 guests as we take you up to 9 o'clock.
Yes, I took a walk to find out whatever could. Na 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 na. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes. Rise early this morning, and I heard some noise outside. Yes. I took a walk to find out whatever could. Commotion. I saw some people running. Yeah, everywhere is confusion. Yes, yes. But then I get to find out someone has got shot in the street and died. Oh my, so much confusion. Say the leaders put the world in a bad situation. Yes, so much illusion. Still they're trying to mislead each and every one. 7 times a brother rises. Oh yeah, and 7 times a brother falls. Yes, yes. You can't give up the battle, no way. After all, we have come this far, yeah. Our children are the future, yeah, and they will lead us in tomorrow, yes. So be careful what you teach them here today. So much confusion. Say the leaders put the world in a bad situation. Yeah. So much illusion. Everyone fighting against each and everyone. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. Tell the youth the truth.
Tell the leaders put the world in a bad situation.
Tell the youth the truth. Whoa. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. Tell the youth the truth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So much confusion. Say the leaders put the world in a bad situation. Yes. So much illusion. Still they're trying to mislead each and everyone. Yeah. Na na. Yeah. La 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 la, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We've been together for so many years. Yes. Sometimes I can't believe no. Are you stay with me through thick and thin? Girl, I never once did you wanna leave. Oh no, I know it's hard, cause I'm a traveling man, and sometimes you feel alone. Yes, but every time I turn my keys, you're always there, making my house a home. Baby, this is the only way I know to tell you how I feel about you. Angel in the morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the only way I know to show you how I feel. Empress of the night. Alright, sometimes I'm seeing through some unfeeling things, but I'm a man, and you know that will come in play. Yeah. Although I never mean to hurt you, my dear, I can see the look of hurt upon your face. Yeah, yeah. I've never been good with sentimental things like a poetry in a potion. Hey, but you got my heart, and you got my life, and you got my everlasting devotion. Baby, this is the only way I know to tell you how I feel about you. Angel in the morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the only way I know to show you how I feel. Yes, Empress of the night. You fill my every day with happiness, baby. I've been nothing without you. No, 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 no. And I don't know if I ever told you that I love you, but I'm sure you do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the only way I know to tell you how I feel about you. Angel in the morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the only way I know to show you how I feel. Empress of the night. Alright, this is the only way I know to tell you how I feel about you. Angel in the morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the only way I know to show you how I feel, yeah. Empress of the night. Alright, alright.
Your taxes hold the key.
Need to pay your property tax, motor vehicle certificate of fitness fee, or a traffic ticket? No need to join the line. Go online. Service at your fingertips 24/7. That's right. All these services and more are available online at jamaicatax.gov.jm. Fast, convenient, secure. Visit the How To tab on our website or call 888-TAX-HELP for details. Tax Administration Jamaica, working together to serve you even better.
The super deal continues at Flow with super savings. Get a free Samsung phone when you sign up for Yard on Road for the special price of only $4,999 plus GCT per month. Stay connected at home and on the go. Visit discoverflow.co or a Flow store to sign up today. Conditions apply.
Fish lovers, expand your options by saying yes to tilapia. Tilapia is packed with vitamins and minerals, can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels and bone strength. It's also less bony than most fish and less costly too. But most importantly, it tastes great. Support your local fish farmers. Buy tilapia. A message from the National Fisheries Authority. Fish for today, fish for tomorrow.
Hey you! Yes, you! What's your vision for financial success? Want to know how to avoid common money mistakes that will keep you broke? I'm Kalila Reynolds. Join me Thursdays at 7:30 a.m. here on Cool 97 FM for Let's Get This Money. I'm your personal money mentor here to share tips to help you stay on track and reach your money goals.
Thanks to our sponsors, Mark Anthony Designs, where luxury meets style. 11 Fairway Avenue, Kingston.
Let's Get This Money, Thursdays at 7:30 a.m. on Cool 97 FM.
Want to hear some cool head-nodding, seat-rocking throwback tunes and more? Keep your radio locked to Cool Rhythms Tuesdays, 1 to 5 p.m. with Mixmaster Marvin and me, Heather Cummings-Williams.
Thanks to our sponsors, Catalea Perfect 10 Med Spa. Visit shop number 10, shops at Southdale, 1 South Avenue, Kingston 10.
Tune in each week to hear your favorite jams and giveaways from our sponsors. Tuesdays on Cool 97 FM.
It's a new year with new savings. Get ready to renovate your space at Home and Things. Enjoy up to 50% off select items, unbeatable prices on porcelain, ceramic, and mosaic tiles. Extra specials on Spanish tiles, bathroom fixtures, faucets, windows and doors, beautiful lighting, home decor, and lots of new arrivals. There's no better time to create that new look. Enjoy New Year savings at Home and Things. Old Hope Road and Constant Spring Road. Jamaica builds with Home and Things.
What does your dream home look like? Build it with Jamaica Premix Concrete Limited. Jamaica Premix Concrete Limited is conveniently located island-wide. Choose the trusted brand of choice since 1959 for all your premium ready-mix concrete. For more information, call 876-926-3420 or stop by their website, japremix.com for details. Jamaica Premix Concrete Limited. Trust the quality. We are concrete. Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by
Blanco Paints, durable by nature.
Fontana Pharmacy, it's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
Let's do it.
Now fly non-stop to Barbados. Into Caribbean launches non-stop flights from Kingston to Bridgetown, Barbados, starting February 7, 2024, with immediate connections to St. Lucia, Grenada, St. Vincent, Antigua, Dominica, and Georgetown, Guyana. For the fastest way across the Caribbean, book now at intercaribbean.com or contact your favorite travel agency, Intercaribbean, connecting you and the Caribbean. And here's another one for you. All right. And just bring it up here. Okay, so need non-drug treatment options or a second opinion? Ask for Dr. Winston Dawes at Mahogany Health and Fitness, specializing in long-term effects of COVID, rheumatoid arthritis, shingles, chick V pains, and endometriosis. Call Dr. Winston Dawes today at 876-376-7735. Visit Unit 69, Winchester Business Center. Dr. Winston Dawes, relief for your chronic pain. And as we continue on Cool 97 FM, we're just going to ask that some of our listeners bear with us. Yes, so some of our listeners in Manchester and St. Elizabeth, South St. Elizabeth at that, are currently... I'm about to cough. Hold on a minute. All right, let's try that again. So some of our listeners in Manchester and South St. Elizabeth are currently experiencing difficulty, thanks Yashika, in picking up our 97.3 frequency. So we're aware of the problem and our engineers are working to correct the situation as quickly as possible. In the meantime, you may listen to us online at cool97fm.com, and we regret any inconvenience this may cause and take this opportunity to thank you for keeping it cool. And as I mentioned, cool97fm.com, I'm going to invite you to tune in to this morning's presentation of Live Tuesday by going to KOOL97fm.com and clicking on the TV tile. So the Cool TV tile, when you get to KOOL97fm.com and you see all those little pretty looking buttons, there's one marked Cool TV. Click on that. Then you're going to see the smiley faces of Dan and Mikey. Click on that again and boom, you're live. All right. So here we go now. We're going back to Live Tuesday, and the segment that we just closed out brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. They'll pick up, pack and ship your boxes, barrels, crates and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And this segment is brought to you by our cool sponsor, Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. So, just to let you know, you were listening to Beezy Coleman in the last segment, and we're going to be continuing with him. But we have a little sit down with him, a little chit chat, and we're going to be finding out a bit more about this man who was or still is part of Live Wire Band. I had to get up and take a peek through the window to see who that was singing a while ago. So I'm pretty impressed. So Beezy, welcome to the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM.
Thank you.
How did you get his start? Because you really play a mean guitar.
I was born with the guitar, you know what I mean?
Really?
Yeah, like I've been playing. I used to make guitar when I was a kid from sardine tin.
You must make me one.
Yeah, and I used to use the middle cable from out of the bicycle brake.
Okay.
You take out the middle one because it's straight. So I used to use it, and I used to use transformer wire, like the wire that comes out of a transformer, to wrap the string to make it look like acoustic strings. So I used to make all those strings and put on my guitar. Before I owned the guitar, my father saw that and was amazed, and he bought me the first guitar, and that's how I started playing.
No, this is pretty impressive. So you've been in music professionally. How did you get your break in the professional stream, though? Because I noticed he plays for Stephen Marley, folks. Yeah, yeah.
Actually,
who was the first person you played with professionally?
The first person professionally was on the North Coast. I used to play
hotels.
Yes, I used to work with Carl Young, who used to own IRFM.
Yes,
he used to have two bands. One by the name of Rockers International.
I've heard of them.
And one by the name of Jareg. Two reggae bands. I used to play with both reggae bands. Right?
Wow.
And then, you know, from there, it was good. I mean, that's where I learned how to play reggae. And then Rita Marley come down there one time and come to Carl Young and heard the band playing. And said, Carl Young, I want this band, you know. We can't leave this band, I'm going to take this band. I couldn't say, what can I do? Well, go on with them now. And we started playing for Rita. Yeah, with some good musicians from out of Portland and Ocherius.
Nice.
And playing for Rita, we tour. Playing for I-Trees, we toured down the whole place, you know, all over. Went to Africa in 98, December. You know, when we're in Africa. And Rita Marley leave us. We went to Nigeria on a chartered trip.
I always like to know about Africa and the experience. What was it your first trip to Africa?
My first trip, yeah.
What was it like for you there? Give us
well,
a insight.
It was joyful because, you know, you're going to Africa, you're going to the motherland. So it was like joy, you know what I mean? And when you land in Africa, you have no problem with getting through securities and all that because everything is already taken care of, you know what I mean? It's like, it's like, you know, red carpet, you know. They really appreciate Jamaicans, you know, especially, yeah. So when we go to Nigeria, we went to Fela Kuti place and we spent some time there. Watch him rehearsing and all that. We play some music also, you know, and then it was a show with a lot of people, Gladys Knight and the Pips and what was the name again? Cool and the Gang and all those groups, you know.
Wow.
Miriam Makeda, and yeah, it was a big show, you know. And then after that, now Rita leave us.
I hope you
down
take
there.
photos, you know, really.
Photos there are messed up now because it was, you know, paper photos, so they are messed up now. Then Rita now leave us and came to Jamaica to deal with some business. You know, I guess at the time there was a Bob Marley thing going on. She was dealing with that. For some while, she left us in Ghana. We went to Nigeria, but we flew to Ghana. Then she left us in Ghana for a while. When she was coming back to Ghana now, the kids were coming. Like, the melody makers were coming to perform in Ghana. For some reason, they have a problem with their guitar player, you know, to travel and stuff. And he saw me playing in rehearsal, you know. And he said, Mummy, I like your guitarist, you know, I go want him. You know, and then after that, we just start rehearse. Same time in Ghana, we rehearse for a show in Ghana. He look at me and him say, where you know all of me sang them from? That's Ziggy, look at me. Where you know all of me sang them from? I say, where I say, man, I sing a song, every day I sing a song them on the North Coast. I say, really? I say, yeah. After that now, you know, we went on tour, went into the cold. My first time touring into Europe in the cold, you know, went on tour for a while. And there I started, you know, yeah, and I've been with them since until, you know, the band part, they split, and still after they split, I went back with Ziggy for a while, yeah, until 2016. That's where I stopped because of certain issues, you know what I mean? But we're good still, you know. I talked to him a few days ago, and he said, yeah, I'm going to call you, you know, I needed to do some stuff, so.
Wonderful.
But you know, now you're here performing with some of your friends, and you put on a really nice performance a while ago. I need to know which 2 songs you did, because you're going to go back out there and add some more to the arsenal. So you're performing here this morning. What's been your biggest test singing as a solo act right here, and what is the plan for an EP?
Well, this is my first show performing. Yes.
Wait.
I mean, live. I mean, you know what I mean? So,
Okay.
I can't complain. And actually, this is my favorite radio station anyways, because it's the only radio station that sounds like a radio.
What you say to be? You hear that? And just remind our listeners, let our listeners know that.
True. I'm speaking
Thank
the truth.
you.
Yeah, everything else sounds like boombox. You know what I mean?
And as you say this, let's
Thanks.
let our listeners know, Dianne, that Live Tuesday is now the #1 morning show on Cool 97 FM. Okay?
Great.
Give thanks.
Yeah,
But
man.
the EP, talk to us about your EP.
The EP now comes out of too much rest for me, you know what I mean? Well, I have these songs working on for years, you know what I mean? But there are times when I said, chop, nobody with the singing thing. I just go and help out the brothers doing some music, you know? But then, every time I listen to my songs, I said, no, man, something wrong. Them still grab me. You know what I mean? This song, them still grab me. So I have to say, no, sir, I can't. Every time, years after years, I put down these songs.
Stop
And
resisting
then-
the urge.
Yes, and then I said, no, man, something about these songs that I just can't. And now they draw closer and closer to me, you know what I mean? So I said, all right, you know, I'm sitting down at home, not doing anything, not playing any music. So
now is the time.
I said, you know what, let me just get going, you know what I mean? And for the reason that I still have my talent, and I can't let it waste, you know what I mean? So I said, I'm going to do something. So I've been playing music with Livewire for a while, you know what I mean?
Well, we're really looking forward to you to drop the EP. But I want to say morning to all of those individuals out there peeping back at me.
Yeah, man, you have Cactus Son, you have
who were
Lisa.
doing backup for you.
Yes.
Hi.
You know. And Livewire Band, you know everybody on Livewire Band.
Yeah,
They've been here before,
I've seen them before.
Yeah, man. So.
No, but thank you ever so much, Beezy Coleman. Yeah, he's here this morning for Live Tuesday, and you really do play a mean guitar. I had to come and peep.
Thanks.
Yeah,
man. Thanks a lot.
So we're gonna. So what were the 2 songs you did before, and then you're gonna go back out and do more?
The first one was Confusion.
Second
when I
one?
was writing that song, I was thinking about, for some reason, there was Freddie McGregor in my mind when I wrote that song. I wasn't writing it for him, but for some reason, he was on my mind. So I wrote that song, So Much Confusion.
Second one?
The second one, Empress of the Nile.
That one was really nice.
Yeah, we just get together and went to a studio in Portland with my friend, Evan Bradshaw. You know, we sit down and work out a song and we start making music like that.
Beezy, Beezy, here's a joke. Were you thinking of Dianne then? Huh? When you wrote that song, Empress of the Nile, were you thinking of Dianne?
Well, you know, well, as I said, I listen to her every day. Like, my favorite thing on Cool was to listen to Cool Flight.
Oh, Dianne.
From Cool Open, I've been listening to Cool Flight all the time.
I've been listening it too.
You know what I mean? So it was like,
oh boy.
You know?
No, that's really nice.
Sometimes when I'm leaving Jamaica, I used to tune in and say, all right, yeah, my flight
Thank you.
You know what I mean?
Woohoo.
Yeah,
One mark for Cool Flight Pack.
Great.
Thank you so much. Well, continue listening to the nation's coolest. You're going to go back out and perform. Get ready, everybody. He's coming.
Yes,
and we're going to enjoy that performance. We have 2 more guests to get through this morning. But thank you for being our guest on Cool 97. Not a problem. All right.
It's a pleasure. You know what I mean? Mikey, it's a joy. You know that.
Give thanks to Bridget. Love is in the house always. So you know.
All right.
Everybody. All right? Take care.
Now, folks, I need to tell you, okay, that was Beezy Coleman a while ago. So we're going to get back to the music in a short while, but let me remind you that this segment of Live Tuesday brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing for weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China. Call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alkavida Alkaline drinking water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. We go back to our stage.
Greetings. Cool 97 FM.
All right.
Reach you with one perfect love.
Yeah.
Well, you're in tune to the one and only Dianne Beezy Coleman. Alongside Prince of Fire.
People see what they wanna see and do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say. Everybody has an opinion. Everyone sees the world in a different way. They don't care what nobody else has to say. 'Cause we are children of the universe. Gotta live our life each passing day.
Whenever time I find myself in this position, in the valley of the rich and trying to make a decision, there always competition, acting like they're politician, wanna throw me off my mission, glory up my vision. But little do they know I got a lot of ambition. With a mind of my own, I don't need no religion. Don't get me wrong, I ain't trying to hurt your feelings, but life is a choice, and this is my opinion.
People see what they wanna see with their own eyes, yes, and do what they wanna do with themselves. Say what they wanna say from their own heart. Remember, everybody has an opinion. I do me and you do you. I ain't got nothing to lose to no one. You go your way, I go mine. I ain't wasting my time and no one.
Yeah, it's like everywhere I go, people wanna know where I got my flow. I don't even know.
I gotta teach it from his Mr.
Is that right? It's like everywhere I go, people wanna know where I got my flow. I don't even know.
I got the teaching from the universe right now. To see what they wanna see. Talking to the boys and girls, yes. Do what they wanna do. Better watch your step, man. Be careful who you're living. Say what they wanna say. Talking to the boys and girls, yes.
Everybody has an opinion.
Yeah. People see what they wanna see with their own eyes, yes.
Do what they wanna do
with themselves. Say what they wanna say from their own heart. Remember, everybody has an opinion. People see what they wanna see. Woo, and do what they wanna do with themselves. Say what they wanna say from their own heart. Remember, everybody has an opinion. Whoa. Yeah, this is my final song. This is a single that is about to drop. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. All I ask of you is just a little respect. Nothing more, nothing less. Genuinely true love straight from the start. And all I have to give is true love and protection. I will never leave you hanging in the dark. But if I give you my love, tell me what would you do? Would you make me happy or make me blue? Give you my love and you know that it's guaranteed. Guaranteed. And if I give you my heart, baby, don't be scared. Treat it right, handle it with care. Give you my heart, please don't you tear it apart. Tear it apart. Or else I'm gonna run. If you don't love me, I will run. If you make me cry, I will run. Keep on running away. I'm gonna run. If you don't want me, I will run. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna run. Keep on running away. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. I'm taking my chance. I'm giving you all I've got. Yes. I'm giving you everything. I ain't holding back. No. It's all I need is unconditional love. My body is yearning, give me that love. Only your love can fill my soul. But if you hurt me, I will run. If you don't want me, I will run. If you make me cry, I will run. Keep on running away. I'm gonna run. If you don't want me, I will run. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna run. Keep on running away. 'Cause you know that I love you right from the start. And I would never break your heart. No. No. Let me go. Let me go now. Let me go now. Ooh, better let me go now. Keep on running. Ooh, running away now. Gotta keep on running. Ooh, running and running away. Yeah. Keep on
nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. Some really mean guitar playing right there. All right, so coming up now, your cool flight pack. And just to let you know, sponsors of the last half an hour, ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And we have Alkavida Alkaline drinking water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Let's go to the sky, see what's happening at our international airports. at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and we have PA system and audio support provided by Keymix Audio. The mix is key. And Cool 97 FM, only too happy to bring you another edition of Live Tuesday. So our guests this morning, so far you've heard from King Lock, and he was accompanied by the Rootsman Abijah, yes, working alongside Abijah on a new single and a video that will be released very soon. We had Beezy Coleman, whose EP Ultimate Love is on its way to your airwaves, and he's a musician turned singer and doing quite well. Loved his set. And coming up next, we're going to have a gentleman who, it's going to surprise you. Yeah, you know, Cool 97 FM really going international. So this time around, remember the song Mixed Up Moods and Attitudes? Yeah. All right, all of you started singing it. I know. And they took the show on the road. Yeah, you know that one too. Well, we've got Eddie Hughes of the legendary Fantastic Four band based in Detroit with us. And he's continuing that band's legacy, including new music. We have to welcome him to Cool 97 FM. And our final guest this morning will be Pinchers. All right, so let's get to Eddie Hughes. Welcome to Cool 97 FM. How are you?
I'm good. Big up Jamaica. I am
every time
fantastic. How can you not be fantastic in this weather?
How many times have you been here?
37 times.
Okay, very good. All right. So, you know we're halfway through, is that? Okay, good to have you here. But I need to let our listeners know that this segment of Live Tuesday is in fact brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? You're going to stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, and all things goodies for the kids. Remember, FX Traders here, changing the face of foreign exchange, and PA system and audio support, courtesy of Keymix. You're part of the group, the Fantastic Four. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How many years has that band been in existence?
Well, ever since I was born, I believe. Yeah, they started in 1962.
Oh, okay.
So
wow.
I'm
now,
like the third generation.
The third generation?
Yeah. I'm the baby of the group now.
Really?
Yeah.
How many of the original members are still with that band?
Oh, the last one passed, Ralph, he died back in, I think, 87.
Mm-hmm.
And ever since then, he had handpicked all the rest of us. So here we are.
Wow. How difficult is it for you to travel incognito?
Well, I didn't really understand how big the Fantastic was here. It was just new to me because there we are pretty big, and the songs that's big there, they were not big here, you know. So I was surprised, and I don't have any trouble because no one really recognizes me.
Ah.
But they do now.
And they'll know you even more after this interview. Now, Cool 97 FM is known for playing lots of those throwback tunes, the ones that really hit home, the ones that were major hits. Fantastic Four in the U.S. As a how long have you been a member of that band, and where have your voyages taken you? What parts of the world have you visited?
Well, far away as England and all through the States.
And your music is largest outside of the U.S. Where would you say knows your music most?
England is pretty good. Yeah.
Wow.
Detroit area, of course. But outside of Detroit and this little surrounding areas, England is really popular there.
Now, it's been a while since, well, you said you've been here 37 times.
Well,
we know that sounds like an exaggeration. But what brought you here to Jamaica this time around?
No, I've been married to a Jamaican for 37 years.
Really?
Yeah, man.
So you reside here?
No, I'm a Jamaican.
Okay, you're a Jamaican, a naturalized Jamaican. Okay, a Jamaican. Way to go, girl. Okay, now this time around, you're visiting the island?
Okay.
For
I've been
how long?
here. I've been here since New Year's.
Ah, and you're going.
And I'm leaving today. Actually, about 12 o'clock, I'll be out of here.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they work me till I come in, and they work me when I leave. So.
Okay. Well, we want to thank you for making it Cool 97 FM. As a matter of fact, that is Paul P. Diddy Dennis. That gentleman right there.
P. Diddy.
Yes, P. Diddy. Yes, he's very popular with the
My
ladies.
man.
Oh, yeah.
My kind of guy.
Well, you know what? You're on a very tight schedule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release you for your performance.
Okay.
But I'm going to implore you that before you leave, that P. Diddy escort you upstairs. P. Diddy, you know the drill. We need some stingers, all right? Okay. So
Some stingers?
Yeah.
Okay, you got to hit me to that.
Okay, we're going to find out what they're all about. P. Diddy is going to provide you with the instruction, and we're going to ask you to just give us a few. You might call them drops in the U.S. So we're going to ask him to collect quite a few of them because your music is quite popular here on Cool 97 FM.
I'm finding out.
Okay. All right, so thank you for being our guest this morning on Cool.
One more thing. I got to mention the crew.
Sure.
The crew is my family. They're love to me.
The crew band?
Yeah. Literally my family.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Big Bird.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Big Bird is my cousin, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have to give big up to the crew.
The crew band.
Yeah,
Yes, they're here all the time.
They've been backing me ever since I've been here.
You know, they're family for us. That means your family for us as well.
Well, we all big family. We all are one. We are the same people.
Wow. Okay. All right, so thank you ever so much for joining us. Now, Mikey is going to be doing a bit of engineering. You're going to join the crew band out there, and you're going to sing your heart out. And then P. Diddy is going. P. Diddy, you're going to disappear for the next few minutes, all right? It's understandable. And
It's me and you, P.
Yeah, you're going to power with him, all right? You're going to go give us some drops. Enjoy, and
All right.
thanks again.
I hope you enjoy.
Oh, we certainly will. We certainly will. When you see us jumping up and down in front of the glass, then you'll know just how much we're enjoying your performance. And safe travel.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bless you.
I'll be back,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Bless you.
All right.
Okay, we're seeing some familiar faces on the outside. Yeah, this morning's quite a doozy. Okay, everyone, just to let you know that this segment of Live Tuesday is in fact brought to you by our kind sponsors, ATC Freight and Shipping. Yes, they're on board yet again. Your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Stock your store with top quality, high fashion shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. Eddie Hughes on our stage at Cool 97 FM.
K-O-O-L.
the show on the road. Left me standing in the shadow. I'm not one to envy someone's fortune, someone else's happiness. But if I could, I surely would exchange, and he like me would reminisce. But you're running all over town and being seen in intimate places. Big up Jamaica. I saw them on the street day in, day out. The feeling was too much to bear. They passed me by and I could tell they never noticed I was even there. I guess to her I was just a nickel dime performer. Now she feels that she to the next one, fellas. We're rolling. Pick up. I've been loving you from a distance. Oh, ain't love wonderful? Only a fool in love would understand. Pull up. I've been loving you from a distance. Oh, ain't love wonderful? Only a fool in love would understand. But the greatest joy in life is for me to get next to you. 'Cause I know one day you'll make me a happy man. But you mixed up moods and attitudes, I don't need them. Hanging high up on a neon sign for the world to see. I can't use them. Hanging high up on a neon sign. The day you walked into my life was confusing. It was hard for me to see what you were using. Ever since that time, I finally saw what's been done to me so many times before. And baby, I ain't falling for that no more. And you know why? It's your mixed up moods and attitudes. I don't need them. Sure don't need them. Hanging high up on a neon sign for the world to see. I can't use them. Sure can't use them. Hanging high up on a neon sign. 1 minute a perfect angel, then the next Miss Silly, Silly Clown. Took a smile filled with happiness, turn it upside down. First you say you love me, then again you say you don't. You promised to always be by my side. Now you're telling me that you won't, and I know why. Mixed up moods, I don't need them. Sure don't need them. Hanging high for the world to see. I can't use them. Hanging high up on a neon sign. I've been loving you from a distance. Oh, ain't love wonderful? Only a fool in love would understand. Because the greatest joy in life 'cause I know you make me a happy, happy man. But you mixed up mood. I don't need them. Sure don't need them hanging high up on a neon sign for the world to see. I can't use them. Sure don't use them hanging high up on a neon sign. Baby, you mixed up mood. I don't need them. Sure don't need them hanging high up on the neon sign. Woo! Big up Jamaica.
The nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. We've got a time signal right now, and then we're going to be going right back to the music after we've completed the commercials here on Cool 97 FM. Visit ATC Freight and Shipping Limited at 101 First Street, Newport West, Kingston for all your shipping needs. Competitive rates, warehousing and customs clearance, hassle-free. The time by ATC Freight and Shipping. The reliable and competent service professionals, it is 8:30 a.m. FM. Sir, it is an absolute honor. I have waited 22 years, and that's the existence of Cool 97 FM, to see you walk these hallowed halls. Pinchers is in the house.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Man. All right, so Live Tuesdays on your radio. And this segment of the program is brought to you by our cool sponsor, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask for your vegan veggie balls at the major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. We welcome you back. And now we're going to get into our interview with Pinchers. So, around when did you start recording?
I started early in the 80s.
1980s.
Yeah.
And who took you to the studio, or did you just walk into a studio and decide that this is what you wanted to do?
Thing about that, I'm always singing.
Mm-hmm.
Just doing my chores, going to shops and whatever. And that followed me up constant. People, but I wasn't thinking of being an artist, right?
What was it you wanted to do?
Carpenter, you know,
a tradesman.
Tradesman.
Mm-hmm.
But people telling me that me singing is just my company. Making up songs and poems, and if you beat me, I sing songs and rhyme it out, and you might get upset by what I'm saying. So in Kingston 13, Maxwell Avenue, there's a sound system called Echo One, and there was two guys. I've been on sound before, you know, and Echo Intrepid Sound that's in Jackson.
Okay.
And I won a DJ competition. Even though I wasn't built for that, they just pushed me there. And I ended up on the shoulders of the fans and winning that competition.
Whoa.
Even though I wasn't in it.
Mhm.
Then I went to Maxwell Avenue and was staying down there with some friends. So there was a sound system called Echo, Echo One. And they also pushed me there because walking up and down, people noticed that I can sing and encouraging me. But I'm not taking it as a career effort or anything. So they pushed me in the sound. And the same thing occurred. And people want to hear me every week. But I was telling myself that since I get interested, because I get in, liking the applaud, not knowing that there's a career I could make from this thing. And studios close by, you know, but I didn't know that because I'm not looking for that. And there was two guys, and one called Peter Blacks and Willie Whites. Lady saw Marianne, she was in the year as well, and she was singing on the sound system. Now, Peter Blacks and Willie Whites, now, in a week, I built up some songs, right? And they would say, that was just like I'm making a catalog, but I didn't know. But when God, I'm saying that is God development, a talent, and making all these things possible for me. So when I have enough song, they don't know that I have enough song and that this thing is going, that I'm building a catalog. One of the guys said, Pinchers, follow me. We could go down and studio and a producer will voice me. I don't know what is a studio. I don't know what is voicing. But my friends, so I follow them, Peter White and Willie Black. Peter Blacks and Willie White. When I go to the studio, there was an engineer there where they go to see, but he was doing something. So me love singing, and in that place I hear music, start singing. Dude, you can't sing a sing. You disturb me, but you sound good enough. Where your name? I tell him. Where you come from? I tell him. Come check me back and give me a time. And I went back there and the time given and meet up on him and his producer, which is Fatis.
Oh, Fatis
Philip
Burrell.
Yeah. And Fatis like my voice and thing and give me rhythm and, you know, answer, mash it up and thing. I will start from there. Then we start, you know, dub plate start, carry it to Waterhouse, to jammings in my voice, and we start there again.
You have a whole string of hits. When I tell you, we're going on bad in studio when you're out there rehearsing. But following on that whole string of hit after hit after hit, do you have any new music? Because we're really anxious to see you back on stage. We're anxious to see you contending with some of them young ones.
We have a lot of music. We have a lot of new music. But, you know, the internet business is not like, it's like everyone was depending on radio like back in the days. So most producers, they get their stuff on have it out there in the net, and some people have to just go and see it on YouTube and all these other platforms. But we have new songs and albums coming, and we're always in the studio.
Oh, nice. Well, I can tell you can shed it on Cool 97 FM because we shell your music all the time. And we look forward to seeing you in many, many more stages, shows, whether it's videos, albums, EPs,
Right.
the whole
It's
9 yards.
It's still like when you ask about new song.
Yeah.
There's an album coming, an Eternal production, and several. These are some girl songs, culture songs, and all these kind of songs. And this is one of the songs. Yede 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 yede, kude 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 kude, lada masi daga fasi mota masi, trouble in a tenement yard. Hey. Bangaranga galang in a tenement yard. Secret I go boss a neighbor shame me like dog. Where some nana money now fi give them landlord. A trouble in a tenement yard. Sandra says she wash her face up pipe. She show her Maxine tea per soap. She go clock over it Maxine and put knife on her throat. Kick her down a gun and make she pick up and choke. She say wait now go so me a carry him go a coat. And neighbor ball out. Your lad me can't even sleep. I listen me radio go down and a them pay feet. Errol push down granny table and broke up her far seat. Grandpa say yeah peace for this and me a call police jeep. Kabangaranga galang.
You know what? Let me just pull this time signal. It gives you about 10 seconds to hit our microphone out there. You're going to demolish Cool 97 FM this morning.
But before I go, Miss Jam from Canada have this awesome album coming. All girl songs.
What?
All girl songs. It's in the process any minute now.
We look forward to it. Hang on.
Yeah, coming soon.
The 11th of the Lions Club function that's taking place on the 11th of February, about a week after next Sunday. Backed by Beer Central, Pinchers, Leroy Sables, Nadine Sutherland.
Okay.
So it's the annual Lions event.
Errol Lee was here.
Errol Lee,
was
right.
talking to us about it last week. All right.
They let them know about upcoming show.
Oh, no. Well,
1 second. Tactic world famous brands of tools distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing are available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, 8:45 a.m. The upcoming shows, yes.
we head into Barbados in March, a vintage festival that is taking place down there. We'll be heading over to Bahamas also. But, the summer for the festivals, that's our biggest market, Europe, the Europe market, and 1 and 2 show in the States. But we're always working quietly behind the scene.
Okay, bless you.
It's good to see you, Mikey.
Good to see
you.
you.
A long time, it's a lot of. But we're coming back. We're coming back and just focus on those pinchers.
All right, bless you. Yes, man, I will be here. We're going to our stage right now. Wherever you are, you think you have a good system in your car? Turn it up. You think your computer good? Turn up the speakers. You are about to be awed on Cool 97 FM. Pinchers.
Never to say you're sorry anyway, then the true love in me must stay. Yeah, for your eyes only, I'll take you to the moon. For your eyes only, cause you're the bride and I'm the groom. Cause this love is hidden deep in me. I'm showing my sympathy. Baby, spend some time with me. Yeah, for your eyes only, oh stick by Pincher's side. For your eyes only, and forever be the bride. Cause this love is never to say you're sorry anyway. true love in me must stay. Look at your eyes, baby. Look at your eyes, lady. Look at your eyes. For your eyes only. I want you, really, really want you, baby girl, and I just want you in my life because I'm singing then again, darling, yeah. Love can never die, it reaches to the sky. Open up the touch of yours and give me just a fly, yeah, yeah. Champion bubble, oh yeah. Pull up. All for the lovers, you know. Sure. Oh, if I come, and if I am, oh, woman salute the return of a done. Oh, if I come, and if I am, oh, woman salute the return of a done. Hey, this is a warning, pray to God. Them live to see a morning, yeah. I tell them it's a warning, pray to God. Them live to see a morning, yeah. Hey, never see so much people up the nuts and yet we come in a true. Then they say that the pictures are play up on the scene. What the people does a fight off themselves, we come in. Gee-way. They may send out the pictures in the place around the microphone stand. Crowd the people just kill up themselves, we see the done. They want to see when pictures in a style and fashion. Oh, yo, oh, here I come, and here I am. Oh, we must salute the return of a done. Oh, here I come, and here I am. Oh, we must salute the return of a done. Watch out, I done. They know what I never from the done. No link won't, no, I don't know. And they know what I never from the done. CL. I'm done, and who is a done of no? I'm done, and who is a done of no? I'm done, and who is a done of no man? Hey, 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 the dance of a rocker that the pictures in the Lord. We're singing on the mic and this is no contest. I'm singing just because of your request. Check. So here I come, and here I am. Oh, mama salute the return of a done. Oh, here I come, and here I am. Oh, mama salute the return of a done. Oh, yeah. This is a warning, pray to God. Them live to see a morning, yeah. I tell them it's a warning, pray to God. Them live to see a morning, yeah. Champion bubble, oh yeah. Oh, bubble with the pictures, alright. Oh, champion bubble, oh yeah. Oh, stay with the pictures tonight. I love the way that you hold me. I love the way that you squeeze me. I love the way that you hold me. Baby, may I beg to release me. Oh, champion bubbler, yeah, yeah. Champion bubbler, oh yeah. Bubble da, bubble da, bubble da, how are you there? Oh, bubble da, bubble da, bubble da. Let me say, oh, bubble da, bubble da, bubble da, how are you there? Bubble da, bubble da, bubble da. Hey, champion bubble, oh yeah. Oh, bubble with the pictures, alright. Oh, champion bubble, oh yeah. Now stay with the pictures tonight. Champion bubbler. Oh, you're my champion bubbler. You are my champion bubbler. Ah, oh, champion bubble, oh yeah. Oh, bubble with the pictures, alright. Oh, champion bubble. Hey, says, oh, let me send this request to the niggas. Well, operate your disease because you beg me on her bending knees. Oh yeah, hey, sis, let me send this request to the niggas. Sis, because you beg me on her. She wants some agony, agony, agony in her back. Agony, 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 agony. What do I know, say? And you come to a change of business, man. Original man, Lear Pierce, man. Right. like the sodas are raw. Them should have seen me in El Colorado when I buck up the one from Canero. When the yard see the kick up and a gallop on my caravan stairs, so I know him come lick the Pelico, and Pelico go fly up in the marrow. One for jumping on my chest and feeling bad because I feel over macho. But I just drink the tequila. Some of you have some them sweet chicken cater. Tell her about the stardust and the reader I am the professor. Oh, you should never diss that champion. No, my name is Pinchers, I'm the Dangaga. So I green buzz and Pasero. Oh, make way for the bandolero. Cause if they don't know that, my friend, well, them number receive from them lyrics and chop like the soul of sorrow. Me pick a little tune from the banjo. So me make a little walk in El Paso. Tell them never take it down low. When we drop it is a stage show. Them a rock the pitch and make my bad song. So we abandon on the one all for Chino. Stand up over there so I watch about the lyric of Samosa. Take all the girls up now. I don't care what you do, but please don't stop, girls. Keep on doing your thing, yeah. Cause when you do all the things that you be doing, you let me feel like a king, yeah. People keep on telling me your love will fade away, but I know one thing for sure, your love is here to stay. Hold me in your arms, oh yeah. Hey, sweet baby, squeeze me with all the charm. Oh yeah, don't let me go, cause I love you so. Well, yeah. Hey, come put your body on my body. Hey, on the lip boy on my lips. Girl, come put your body on my body. Hey, on the, you think of that? The boy I sing a lot of boom tune, them take a kill of son boy, conquer Elroy and Elroy. Tell him we come with top dollars if we they wanna him die. No boy can take Kypie toy, because we drop a lot of boom tune, Jamaica one must destroy. Conquer Elroy and Elroy. They make a come with top dollars, man, a heavyweight, no fry. And then I make this on my, hey guy, die guy, booty by, right in the eye. I got Passy get ready tonight. Want you to hear me, alright. Don't hear me. Hold it again now, aye. Lift it up again now, aye. Again now, aye. Hey, don't be confused. Listen to the rhythm and dance to the blues. I don't want you to think you have been used again now, aye. So lift it up again now, aye. Lift it up again now, aye. Oh, lift it up again now, aye. Lift it up again now, aye. Lift it up again now, aye. Music, it is the girls' them choice. Like to hear it once and twice. Now they're screaming out like mice again, yeah. So lift it up again, yeah. Pinchers come again, yeah. Uncle, yeah. Hold it again now. Hold it again now. Oh yeah. Oh, pictures come again now. Ah yeah. Passy get ready. Passy get ready. Oh, Passy get ready. Oh yeah. Oh, we don't understand. Yeah. Hey, we don't understand. Yeah. Hey, 100% original, them giving us a fight. 100% original pictures, you're right. But underneath the bushel, them want hide your light. But on my danger, you say we'll burn out town tonight. Oh, nobody right. So lift it up again, yeah. Lift it up again, yeah. Hey, borrow no gun, borrow nobody gun, borrow no gun then shoot for your brother down. Borrow no gun, no, borrow nobody down, borrow no gun, no way. Why must we fuss and fight against each other? We all want blood, or maybe not same color. We all are one, created by the Father. And I must say, each man is your brother. So don't borrow no gun, borrow nobody gun, borrow no gun. Love you.
Working with young lion Craig Ross for another cool flight pack at 3 minutes to the top of the hour. Let's go to our time signal. We also have commercials and then we exchange slots. All right, so take care everyone and thanks.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.